Hi, hello, welcome back to my channel. I'm Ria Jose, and today we're doing a quick review of Glow Authority products. If you want to know my thoughts about these products, keep on watching. Before, when I would do skincare unboxing, anything skincare related or beauty related, I'd usually start na bare face. So bare face ako ngayon. I'm not too sure if my camera is filtering my face, but yeah, this is my bare face. I like showing my bare face when I'm doing skincare videos because I want to be transparent. Because admittedly, I'm not an expert, so I just base it on my own experience. A few weeks ago, or months na ba? I think months, I unboxed some products from Glow Authority. So I went to their clinic, which is My Skin Origins. Yun yung old name ng brand. Cleaning lang ako ng face. Unfortunately, hindi pa ako nakabalik. Twice a month yata dapat, but I've been very busy. Fortunately, I was able to try some of their products. I think helped naman in my skin condition. So before, if you have been watching my videos since before the pandemic, super oily skin talaga ako, guys. Medyo clear yung skin ko before, pero super oily skin. I don't know if it's the aging process or because I've been indoors a lot and palagi ako naka-aircon, nag-dry na yung skin ko. For a time, it was combination or it depends on the season. Nagiging combination or oily depending on the season or the weather. Pero ngayon, talagang dry na siya almost 365 days of the year. Which is frustrating to me because most of the products that I bought and I'm used to are for oily skin. Pati yung skincare procedures ko are for oily skin, which was for me quite low maintenance kasi tamad ako. Kinda glad that I got to try different skincare products during the pandemic. I've vlogged some of my favorites. I've shared it to you guys. Now, I'm trying Glow Authority. I tried 4 out of the 5 products that I got. Wala na yung isa dito kasi nga naubos na. Dalawang beauty bars yon, naubos ko na sila both. I used it for my body primarily, but also sometimes for my face kung tamad ako. Okay naman siya as cleanser. When I'm trying new skincare products, hindi ko sila sinasabay-sabay lahat. Usually, I'd try one product for 1 to 2 weeks and then dadagdag ako ng new product na naman to try, even if it's from the same brand or from the same line of products. Una kong tinry dito yung beauty bar, which again, I used on my body and my face. Okay naman. I needed something more moisturizing for my face. So, may iba akong cleansers na ginagamit while I was using that one. But I tried it alone for my face and my body na yung beauty bar lang. Okay naman yung effect niya. I think 2 weeks ko siyang ginamit exclusively. May glowing effect, which I think yun yung purpose nitong Glow Authority. I would recommend it. Actually, I want to get some again. The second thing that I tried was this toner. Magaan na siya, guys, kasi naubos ko na siya. So, ito yung toner na ginagamit ko. I use this product once a day lang. Pag nasa loob lang ko ng bahay, when I'm just inside the house, I use my toner once lang a day. And usually, that's right before sleeping. Nung oily pa ako, I would overuse toner. Pero ngayon na dry skin ako, I'm trying to lessen that kasi I think it exacerbates the dryness of my skin. So, at maximum, nagto-toner ako twice a day. Before I go out, before applying makeup, yung refreshing toner yung ginagamit ko. And then, before I sleep, or after cleansing, and then before I sleep, ito naman yung ginagamit ko. This is a Pore Care Brightening Toner. Medyo meron siyang tightening effect, which is good, I think, for aging skin. Pero, if you have a dry skin, okay lang din siya, but don't use it too much. After cleaning, I just damp a little bit of this product on a cotton and then apply carefully on my face. Huwag kayo masyadong harsh when applying stuff on your face kasi sensitive yung skin natin sa face. The third product that I use is something that everybody has to use daily, sunscreen. Admittedly, I'm very tamad, so ito yung problema sa akin when it comes to skincare, kaya dapat low maintenance lang. Minsan tinatamad talaga ako, guys. Kahit na yung skincare fridge ko ay nasa tabi lang ng bed ko. Minsan tinatamad talaga ako. But, while I was testing this product, I tried to use it at least once a day, every day for 1 week siya. I think 1 week ko siya religiously na try. Hindi pa ako naka-apply today, so mag-a-apply tayo today. Alcohol tayo. Ganyan lang kakonta yung ina-apply ko because I don't want nga na too sticky. Before I apply the sunscreen, let's go to the moisturizer. They have 2 moisturizers. Yung panggabi, hindi ko nagagamit dahil nga tamad ako. Tayo nyo, hindi pa siya nabubuksan. So, ito yung ginagamit ko. Ito yung day moisturizer nila. It's called the Pore Care Brightening Day Cream. This is the day cream. Hindi pa ako naglalagay ng moisturizer today, so maglalagay tayo. Ito yung sunscreen. Lalagay ko na lang sa tabi. Konti lang din yung ginagamit ko, even if I already have dry skin. Ito yung moisturizer. So, slightly thicker lang yung sunscreen than the moisturizers. What I do is super konta lang. One thing I like about the moisturizer is ang pleasant talaga ng smell. If you notice, ito, naka-bare face ako guys. Ito lang yung acne ko ngayon. Nandyan sa baba. Next time ko na-explain kung ano yung anti-acne product na ginagamit ko. Pero hindi na talaga yan siya nawawala. Nawawala siya for like a week and then bumabalik siya for a few days and then nawawala ulit. But luckily, dyan lang talaga. Dyan lang talaga siya. Usually, I like putting it sa leeg and then here then sa siko ko and sa tuhod. Elbows and knees as well. Na-absorb na ng skin ko yung moisturizer, which is another thing that I like about this moisturizer. Mabilis siya ma-absorb sa skin and madali siya ma-blend out even if there is a bit of white cast. Paano ko nasabi that there's white cast? Because, i-compare nyo ito yung face ko kanina na walang moisturizer sa face ko ngayon. Now, we're gonna put the sunscreen. The thing about skincare, I think a lot of people forget to say or forget to mention is your skin is usually a reflection of your overall health, I think. Alam niyo yung sinasabi ng mga tao na, oh, I just drink a lot of water. It's actually true. It helps in the hydration of your skin and how well and glowing your skin looks like. A lot of people feel like it's a scam. Drink your water and you will feel better. But I think if you follow the recommended daily intake ng water, it will really help your body in working properly. Of course, it also helps if you eat the right amount of fruits, vegetables, you know, even protein. Kailangan din natin ng protein, collagen, a proper balanced diet depending on your health and your age and everything. I think it will reflect a lot on your skin. I'm not an expert. This is just based on what I know and what I have read. So pay attention to your skin because it's also a good indicator of how your body is feeling. Self-care also helps because it also makes us feel good about ourselves. Ang daming philosophical, daming wisdom. You should also take into consideration that people's body, yung skin nila, iba-iba yung sensitivities. So like ako, I'm allergic to a lot of things. So please do take note of that. Please consult a licensed dermatologist and physician for all your health concerns, not just about your skin. Ito na yung effect ng sunscreen. No concealer, no foundation, no base, no nothing, no powder. I've gone out na ganito lang to go to the grocery. Tapos nagtitint lang ako sa lips. Wala pa akong lip tint ngayon. And a little bit of concealer dito. But usually, okay na ako sa ganito. I'm pretty satisfied with the products of Glow Authority in a way that they function precisely the way I expect them to. I do not want to oversell the products, but I feel like at their price point, these are skincare products that you should try if it works on you. Again, it's affordable and it's effective. Well, at least to me, it's effective. Kita nyo naman, may konteng white cast, but not too much in a way na nagmumukha akong ghost. Look, I still look like myself, but a little bit better. Uy, a little bit more glowing. The long-term effects of the products, well, at least to me, okay naman. Wala din namang pumangit sa skin ko. Walang redness, walang anything. Final look sa bare face ko with Glow Authority products. I do recommend these Glow Authority products. I haven't tried the night cream. I do recommend the sunscreen, the toner, the day moisturizer, and the beauty bar. If you want to try them out, check out their TikTok shop, or you can visit their website. They also have a Facebook page. All the links will be down below. Thank you guys for watching. If you want to know more about Low Authority, all the links and the information will be down below, and also on my blog, josalife.com. Please follow me on social media for more information about Low Authority and other skincare and beauty products and other products that I have tried and recommend for you. Marami pong salamat. Thank you guys for watching. Please be safe, and if you still see the watermelon down here, all the information about that will be down below. Always be informed, practice social distancing, still wear a mask when you're in public, and take your vitamins, drink water, be safe and healthy. Bye everyone. I'm Ping from myself and Glow Authority. Bye!